Welcome to Personal Finance Power, where we turn financial struggles into success stories. Struggling with debt? You're not alone, but there's a way out. In this video, we'll cover the best strategies to pay off debt fast and effectively. These methods have been proven to work, so get ready to take control of your financial future. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more actionable tips to eliminate debt and build wealth. 1. The snowball method. The snowball method is one of the most popular and effective ways to pay off debt quickly. It involves focusing on paying off your smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on your other debts. Once the smallest debt is paid off, you move on to the next smallest debt, and so on. The psychological benefit of this method is that it gives you quick wins, motivating you to continue tackling your debts. 2. The avalanche method. The avalanche method is often considered the most cost-effective way to pay off debt quickly. It works by focusing on paying off the highest interest debt first, while making minimum payments on all your other debts. This method saves you money in the long run because it reduces the amount of interest you'll pay over time. 3. Consolidate your debts. Debt consolidation involves combining multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This can be done through a personal loan, balance transfer credit cards, or a debt consolidation loan. Consolidation simplifies your debt repayment process since you'll only have one payment to keep track of. It can also help lower your interest rates, saving you money over time. 4. Cut back on expenses and free up cash. One of the fastest ways to pay off debt is to find ways to free up extra cash each month. Start by tracking your spending and identifying areas where you can cut back. Perhaps you can reduce dining out, eliminate subscriptions you don't use, or find a cheaper living situation. The money you save can be directed toward paying down your debt. 5. Increase your income. In addition to cutting back on expenses, increasing your income is another effective strategy to pay off debt fast. Look for opportunities to earn extra money, such as taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or selling unused items. Even if you can only dedicate a few hours a week to earning extra cash, every bit helps. You can also use any bonuses, tax refunds, or other windfalls to pay down your debt. 6. Pay more than the minimum payment. Making only the minimum payment on your debts can keep you in debt for years. To pay off debt fast, try to pay more than the minimum amount required. This extra payment goes directly toward reducing the principal balance, which will reduce the interest you'll owe over time. Even adding just a small amount above the minimum can make a big difference. 7. Set a target date and goal. Having a clear target date and specific goal for paying off your debt can help keep you focused and motivated. Break down your larger debt repayment goal into smaller, manageable chunks. Create a plan that outlines exactly how much money you need to pay each month to meet your target date. Setting a deadline gives you something to strive toward, which can motivate you to stick to your plan and avoid distractions. 8. Use the debt snowball or avalanche method with windfalls. If you receive any windfalls, such as a tax refund, a work bonus, or a gift of money, use it to pay down your debt. Rather than spending this extra money on non-essential items, apply it to the debt you're tackling. If you're using the snowball method, apply your windfall to the smallest debt. If you're using the avalanche method, apply it to the debt with the highest interest rate. 9. Seek professional help if needed. If you feel overwhelmed by debt or are struggling to make any progress, it might be time to seek professional help. There are many financial advisors, credit counselors, and debt management programs that can guide you through the process of debt repayment. A credit counselor can help you create a budget, negotiate with creditors, and develop a debt repayment strategy. 10. Stay motivated and celebrate milestones. Paying off debt can be a long, challenging process, and it's easy to get discouraged. To stay motivated, celebrate milestones along the way. Whether it's paying off a small debt or reaching a savings goal, take time to acknowledge your hard work and progress. These small victories can help you stay on track and encourage you to keep pushing forward. Paying off debt may seem tough, but with the right strategy, you can eliminate it faster than you think. Which method are you going to try first? Share in the comments. And if this video helped you take the first step toward financial freedom, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing debt and building lasting wealth. Keep pushing toward that debt-free life.